Oh, are you making monkey shines at your grandpa? Are you making monkey shines? He's not impressed. Oh. they just want to be loved by the big doggies. She's watching Grandma. God bless you. God bless you, fathead. Oh. Ella is hysterical. You see that Boston fell on and rolled over her. Look how hysterical they are. Ooh, that's Yella giving it to him. She is full of beans. Yella is full of beans. Get it, Ella? Oh my God. Yeah, you're a real toughie. Rosie's gonna get in on it. Boss man, pick on your sister. You don't like to be sat on. I don't blame you. I don't blame you.